Remington 3B. This is Monarch Pioneer. I already reviewed this one almost 4 or 5 months ago. I wanna compare both, and then I wanna focus on this one. Mechanically, the key layout, as you see, the key layout, right, is exactly the same, right? But cosmetically, the building stuff is totally different. It's like more flat. It's much. This degree is much like I think almost how can I say, more than 50 degree. Very stiff, right? But this one is almost laid down, like 15 degree. Then this one is at least more than 45. So this one is this holder, this typer attached to the base body, the bottom. But this one is this typer holders attached to this case, this outside body. Also, the material is totally different. This one much easy to clean, but this one it's like this one is glossy, right? So if you little bit like clean, it can be very easy to the shine, to make shine. Yeah, see. Yeah. So but a lot of people wanted to buy this one, especially for the typewriter collectors, because it's not common, it's rare. This is little bit, let me see, it's weight almost same. It was manufactured 1937. This one is 1935. This one easy to see the serial number, but this one it's really hard to the serial number. C104164. As you see, the a little different, right? Functionally exactly same. It's we know the 3-bank typewriter. For example, Oliver typewriter, it has a 3-bank, and then only Underwood has a 3-bank portable typewriter, and then Smith Corona folding typewriter is 3-bank. 3-bank means 1, 2, 3, 3 low, right? So in order to get all feature of letter and character with 3-bank, that means each typer has 3 character each. Also, that means we need 2 shift key, 2 shift function, one for the normally said, one for the capital, one for the figure, right? But because of that 2 function, this one was invented, because even though it looks like a 3-bank, but not exactly, we need a little bit small one. So that's why I guess they named it 3B. So with 1 shift key, and then he wanna use the 3-bank, main 3-bank, and then like a half key here. So that's the main idea. Mechanical function exactly same. So it's red means these 2, it's like uppercase, right? This number is red. Also 0, we can use the shift and this key make 0. number 1, just hit the L. It's lowercase l is a number 1. Exactly same. Okay. Actually, when I bought this one, very dirty around here, lost a lot, but I removed a lot of lost. Still, you can see the some, yeah. And then also around this part, so I took the platen. In order to take off the platen, we need like this one. It's a very useful tool. It's a 1/4 inch wrench, because after unscrew this one, and then we can take off this metal from this side, not this side. Normally we take off this side, right? But this one, we need push this one after unscrew this one, and then push this to left, so we can take off from here, and then we can take up the platen. But at that time, this one is cover, right? Also, this ruler is very close to here, so you need to remove this one first. This two, you don't need to unscrew fully. You don't need that. Just like a couple, then you can take off this one easily. And then to unscrew this ruler, you need this one. This you need to hold this. Without hold this, it's not easy. It's very hard. So this is very useful. So I tell you this one a lot use. We have it's a package, right? I'll show you. If you have any chance to get this kind of tool, you need to buy to fix the typewriter. It's very, very useful. I was lucky to find this one. I'm looking for this one more than 1 year. Of course, sometimes you can buy eBay online, but it's very expensive. So I found this one free market with a very reasonable, very good price. So we use this one a lot for the like adjust uppercase, lowercase, the typer, and then also like this one. Without this, unscrew this one, it's very hard, but using this one, it's very easy, and then you can protect the damage of the screw. So yeah, so we need this one too. So after remove this one, and then I just take off this one. Also, there is another one. I take off this part also. Then I remove this one and then clean, and then I put back again. But still, it's not perfect condition, but it's okay. Much better than before. This typewriter has the couple unique thing. As I already said, it looks like a 3-bank with just one shift key. That's the one of the unique thing. And then this shape, it's like more than 45 degree typer. It's a very unique one. And then there is no backspace, right? And then no margin release, no tap function. So that's the another unique stuff. So that's why the collectors wanted to keep this one. It's very around here. It looks like around here like a Bing typewriter. You know the Bing? Yeah, almost the same. Just around here, it looks like just Bing typewriter. Okay, let's see some sample typing.
Thank you for watching.